Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and turn off access sensitive content setting. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, access your Chrome browser in your phone. Now go to search bar and type in twitter.com. Now go ahead, tap on this twitter.com official page on top and simply access your Twitter. And once you're done logging in here in your browser section, you're going to go ahead, tap on the profile icon on top left corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings and support, and now again tap on the setting and privacy. Now here in the section you can find this all kind of information, right, including this option called privacy and safety. Yes, once you have tapped on privacy and safety, you will find this option called content UC. Go ahead, tap on it. And here in the section you can see display media that may contain sensitive content. This is blue ticked here in this box. Go ahead, tap on it and simply untick it, and now you will be able to see all of the contents in your Twitter account. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.